you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received Marked by Ink box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my new box. I believe this one is going to be July, August, or it's August and September. I think it's July/August. This is a bi-monthly box for the tattooed enthusiasts like myself. If you want to know what's inside, we're going to go ahead and get into this right now. So this is the box marked by ink. You open it up. That's what it looks like inside. They do have the featured artist. They have a postcard right here that you remove. So I do remove that, and that looks really neat. I like the way that looks. You do have the book on top right here, and they did go back to their seal. So they have the red paper, and then there is it's like you took a stamp and sealed the box. Look at that. I love their seals. I've saved them. The last box, they didn't have that because everything that was going on, and they did say they would be bringing it back. So they already brought it back. There's only one box, we missed it. But so here's that. See, I do keep these seals. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I definitely want to keep them. So let me remove this postcard from the box so we can get an up close and personal look here. Look at that. That is really neat. I like that. So there is the postcard. We're going to find out everything else. When you open up the actual tissue paper, I see something matching right on top, and I'm actually excited. Okay, you guys, so here is the pamphlet, and it goes over the items inside. Let me see if it says, in this edition of Marked, we've invited you to recharge and break trend. Inspired by our feature artisan, DJ Tambi. Oh, yes, I know. That guy's been on their shows a lot. I like him. He's a really good artist. We have created a style-forward box with items that lead to self-care and self-expression. We hope that while you are looking to help and support your neighbors through monumental movements in our country, that you also take time to check in with yourselves. So for this marked box, we have included items to update your look and provide yourself with TLC you need. Get your me time on with our Express Yourself edition of Marked. Express yourself. All right, and then it does go over all of the items and everything inside. All right, let's go ahead and see. So the first thing that I am pulling out, it says hemp extract, soft gels, 15 meg gel, 34 gels. These hemp extract soft gels give you a convenient, tasteless way to use hemp extracts. So let's get this opened. So when you open it up, here is the bottle, and then there's some information, and there is that. So you do have a bottle of 34 gels. Take 1 to 2 gels daily for best performance. Take with food. I can't wait to try them because I already know hemp is really good, and CBD and all of that. So I am definitely game to try it. So yes, please. And thank you. Okay, so this looks like it would be for the Nat a Tattoo tattoo care. Enhance your new ink and make your tattoos color pop. Most ideal to use after the healing process. Good, because I always use Sanoderm on all my tattoos. So I can never really use anything on them while they're healing, but once they're done and they're healed, I'm all for putting anything on them to help them stay revitalized, colorful. I'm all for that. So everything that is down inside of this bag, here's this little paper that goes over different things that you can get right there. So it goes over that. I was hoping that mask was going to be in here, but it's not. So this says tattoo aftercare treatment for healed ink. And direction for use. Use on healed tattoo area. Apply 1 stroke over ink skin. Rub it in thoroughly. So it's a tattoo balm. And this is like it's a big size, like almost bigger than like a glue stick size. And there's also this right here, tattoo ointment that came in there. I'm all for getting stuff to help your tattoos because there's so many more that I still want to get. Like I said, I do use Sanoderm just for the first week and then it's completely healed. But after that, I'm all for any products to help bring them back to life. So here's that, and it's just like a normal balm that you roll out. Let me just see. So you swipe it and you rub it. I'll be rubbing this all over all mine. I have tattoos all over. So I really like that. I like that it's a nice big size and it's not just a little tiny sample size. So there's that item right there. So let's keep moving right along. So far, so good. This right here says Slay All Day CBD Face Wash. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And this right here says Premium Self-Care. Take a moment for you. Treat yourself with one of our premium self-care products and soak up the best of life's simpler things. So they just have like a blacked out image. It could be one of several, I guess. And so this is what I received. And it's a CBD face wash. And I'm all for that. I wash my face every single day. So anything that I get that I normally use, I love it. It doesn't have a scent. Nope, it doesn't really have a scent at all, but it's CBD infused and a face wash. So I'm really excited to try that out. I'm gonna put that in the shower tonight and use it. So we have that product, which that's awesome. Next we have, it says Pyramid Incense Cones, hand dipped, naturally dyed, 25 cones. And this is like looks like an old POG container or something. And this says Reverse Karma, Pyramid 25 pack incense. Our cedar wood incense cones are a refreshing scent to energize any room. The light woodsy aroma is great for everyday use or burning casually throughout the day while at home. Use promo code MARKED25 for 25% off your next order. They do smell like cedary, piney, like woodsy kind of scent. But there are the cones, and I know once they probably burn, it's a little wonky. It's all, look, can you see? Lean wooded. This one's a little wonky too. But then you have them in this little airtight container. So that is really neat. So we have some incense cones. And then here is a big thing of, Manic Panic, amplified color formulated semi-permanent hair color, vegan. So that's what that looks like. Brighten your hair with one of Manic Panic's 4 amplified colors. The dye is formed from high quality ingredients for high quality hair color. Each application lasts up to 6 weeks, giving you vibrant hair color that won't fade too quickly. It doesn't say which 4 colors would have been, but this is definitely like a purple. Does it say what color this one is? Mystic Heather is what it says. So I have a purple. That's really cool because then you can put a little pop of color in your hair and don't have to worry about it. So then now we have is a shirt, and this is the women's shirt and it matches. That's so cool. So there's that, you guys. That is so neat. That is so cool that I have a matching shirt that matches this entirely. And then the canvas for this month is right here. Oop, there was something back there, right there. That is so neat. It's called Stuck by DJ Tambi Canvas, inspired by the realities of life during these times and feeling trapped. Tambi depicts a young kid stuck in the house forever. He's stuck in the house. That's definitely fitting for right now. And then there is a sticker. This is also by him. There's that sticker right there. Never have enough skulls in your life. Perfect. Enjoy this exclusive sticker. Add to your collection or stick it to anything that needs more swag. So that is a whole collection for the featured artist this month. The postcard, the sticker, the canvas, and the t-shirt. Now, if you are a new member, you would receive the inked trucker hat. I got that on my very first box. So if you do sign up, you do get that in your very first box. So then there's this. This is broke, not busted. And it does talk about some information on the back of that. And then here we have is an enamel pin. This is by Death Wish. That is really cute. I like the skulls on there. That is a super cute pin. And it does have the one little clasp back there, so you can hang it on anything. And then we have Death Wish coffee sunglasses. And this is what they look like right there. They say Death Wish Coffee Co. And there we have it. So that is everything that we got in this month's box, you guys, or bi-monthly box, you guys. We have the Death Wish sunglasses. We have the Death Wish pin. We have the face cleanser. We have the hair dye. We have incense. We have tattoo care. We have CBD gel capsules. We have this really nice canvas. In every box we get the same size. So this is now my 4th canvas print. And once I have them all, like as many as I'm going to end up getting, I'm going to end up hanging them all somewhere together. It's just I don't know how many I'm going to get yet, but I am definitely going to hang these all up together side by side once I start figuring out where I'm going to put them. And then we have the sticker, the postcard, and the t-shirt. This t-shirt comes in women's size or men's unisex size. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? What did you think of the items this time? Let me know down below. I love that this is a tattooed enthusiast box because you're getting things that are going to help your tattoos, things that are all around tattoos, that kind of thing. That's why I really, really love this box. You can use my code Shecrafty10. That'll get you 10% off your order. Marked by Ink is a hand-curated every other month subscription box, curated exclusively for tattooed enthusiasts. Meet your new obsession, the experience, an every other month subscription of 5+ high-value products celebrating tattoo culture. Each box features a collectible, a limited edition piece of canvas art by a notable tattoo artist, and exclusive apparel from a top tattoo shop. You can do pay as you go every box by box. Basically, it's $39.95 a box. Or if you do 3 boxes at a time like I did, you do save a little bit of money, and it brings it to $109 for 3 boxes, which is 6 months. And shipping is an addition, and you get $125 value or more in every box. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.